2416 Northwest 73rd, dates August 10th, 2022. Making this recording from the 4-inch diameter ABS clean out in the driveway of the home here on the west side of the house. Got the camera pushed out as far as I'm able to push. There is a large root slash obstruction out here. That's somewhere in the road. I'm guessing from maybe the massive tree across the street growing into the line. But this is a shared sewer. From what I can tell on the sewer map and from the limited amount of testing of the line that I've done, this is out and shared with the two homes to the east of this house on 73rd. So here we're coming out of that shared portion of the sewer line back into the 4-inch diameter line that services strictly 2416. So 4-inch diameter sewer line. So right about 30 feet or so before we come up out of this clean out, 31 feet. And here is the clean out we're making this recording from in the driveway and the video there.